Listen up. I need anyone that has an upcoming move to hire Piece of Cake Moving ASAP. I just did my first big move by myself ever, and they were exactly the help that I needed. I was moving cross country from Atlanta to New York, so I really wanted to find a moving company based in the city that was comfortable and had the experience with city moving, and they were exactly that. Every step along the way, even before the crew showed up, every team member I encountered was super accommodating, super caring, and really wanted to help me with this big transition in my life. I am admittedly a type A personality, so I had a lot of questions and a lot of updates to my inventory, and generally just curiosity about the moving process since I had never done it before. And everyone was super responsive to my emails, my calls, and super friendly and very helpful with answering my questions. But I also just need to give a special shout out to Joel and his crew. They really saved me with helping me pack all of my boxes for me and move it and onto the truck and unload it off of the truck. My joints could not be more appreciative for helping me save me the time from that backbreaking work. I truly can't say thank you enough.